Day in the life of an unemployed 24-year-old making $100,000 a month. Let's get it. It's 9:46 a.m. on this fine Sunday, and Sundays are usually my chill rest days. All I gotta do today is get ready and go to church, and then I'm pretty much chilling and relaxing for the rest of the day. Who knows, maybe I'll hang out with some of my boys, maybe I'll just chill in my massage chair, I don't know. But yeah, usually I just take God's day to relax, rest up a little bit, and get ready for the week. And so by the time Monday rolls around, I feel rested, I feel recharged, and ready to take over the motherfucking world. But yeah, usually you have to take one step back to take two steps forward, and I take that same motto into the weekends. So luckily I'm in the position now where I don't really have to grind every day 24/7, but trust me, as a beginner, when I first was grinding to make money online, it definitely wasn't like this way. So consider this like light at the end of the tunnel for you. Like eventually once you start really seeing success online and you're not only making 10, 20, 30, even 100K a month like me, but eventually you build the right team, systems, and automations, you can have a business like me that runs completely by itself and you don't really have to do much work. But yeah, that's enough yapping. I gotta go to church. So with that being said, let's get ready. Let's go.
All right, not too bad. Usually Chicago's cold as shit during March, but it's bearable today. Church is done. My friend Dean couldn't scoop me today to go to our regular Christian church, so went to the church closest to me, which is a Catholic church. So as a Filipino, pretty much every Filipino grows up as a Catholic. And if you don't know what Catholicism is, it basically is like one of the original Christian religions where it's like very traditional, very by the book. But honestly, growing up that way almost made me resent that method. It's like basically it's not just about your relationship with God, but it's also about like the acts and the service you do. What some people could debate is proving your relationship with God, but I honestly believe more in just a regular Christian religion where it's just more about just your relationship with God, and that's it. You don't have to prove anything. You don't have to do any specific acts. You don't have to go to confession every week. You just have to build that relationship with Jesus and God. It's interesting to see how disassociated sometimes I get trying to go back to the Catholic Church when it's convenient. But yeah, other than that, time to get some groceries. I realized lately my health has kind of been shit. I've been eating Chipotle every day, drinking a fuck ton of Gatorade. So time to get back on my health grind. I feel like maybe that's one of the reasons I started getting into a slump is my diet started to turn like shit, and in return my energy went low. And obviously when your energy is shit, you're gonna feel like shit and you're not gonna wanna work. So time to lock back in and get these groceries. 37.54 for all these groceries. Finally done with all my chores. I feel lazy as shit, don't really want to do anything, but that is okay. That's okay.
Baby, what you do with the toilet, bro?
Bro, no. This wasn't even me, this was Danilo. I swear to God.
Damn, it smells like shit in here. Nah, I'm just kidding.
That was Danilo, bro. If that's going anywhere, I swear to God. I would not do some shit like that. I was my creative director.
Yeah, creative director shitting in the
late
toilet.
last night, asked to use my bathroom. Next thing I know, won't flush.
Okay, now about to get
My daily Chipotle. So me and my boy Dean both follow this same fitness influencer. His name's Gregor Gallagher, aka Kinobody. Because we have like basically the same diet, we pretty much eat the same shit, obviously. So that means going to Chipotle.
I rise and I wake and I gotta go get it. I'm making my bed and it's straight to the digits. No cover jokers, that shit is acidic, so I take a shot with the limit.
Just got back from dinner. I am tired as hell, but had an interesting conversation with my boy Dean while we're eating Chipotle. And we were talking about how about 2 to 4-ish weeks ago, I was in like a total rut. Like I didn't feel like posting, couldn't get back in my normal routine, and I just felt like so trapped in the matrix.
And it almost feels like I'm stuck back in the matrix. Like I'm just doing the same exact routine over and over and over and over, to the point where it doesn't even feel like it's freedom. It feels like I'm just going through the motions.
But now, fast forward to today, I almost have the motto that anything you do, is gonna feel like the Matrix. Like if I'm working all day every day, I'm gonna wish I wasn't working as hard and I would get bored of what I'm working on. But let's say I'm not working at all and I'm taking the whole day off, I'm also gonna get bored because I have nothing to do and like what should I do with my time? And even thinking to the extreme, like let's say I'm traveling like every day and trying to live new experiences. Well, guess what? Like that becomes a routine in itself, trying to experience something new every day. So it's like no matter what you do, it's always gonna be boring. There's always going to be shit that's not going to excite you for the day. And that's okay, because that's what life is. For guys like you and me, where we want to make the most out of our day, we want to make the most out of life and truly dominate our path. Like we want to feel the most productive possible. But as you can tell, being productive sometimes means doing the same shit every single day. Not because you have to, but it's like just the most efficient way to get shit done is by sticking to a routine. Obviously, when we're in a routine, that means we're going to be doing it all the damn time, and it's going to feel like the Matrix. So in reality, like being stuck in the quote unquote Matrix, like it's fine. It's not wrong. It's not that big of a deal. Because at the end of the day, if that's what's going to drive you closer to your goals and move you closer toward the dreams you're looking for, then why wouldn't you do that? But yeah, feels slightly good to be back to the daily YouTube vlog grind. Let me know how you're liking these vlogs, and as always, like, comment, subscribe. Let me know your biggest takeaways down below. And other than that, I'll see you tomorrow. Peace.